Hey, seventh graders, Mr. Allard. I apologize. I'm not going to be in school um, t tomorrow. It's Wednesday night. Um, but I wanted to make sure that we are 100% clear on what is going on because this is one of your last opportunities to get any makeup work done and work done for today. So we're going to kind of juggle two things of making sure we got work done today, moving forward in our next chapter, and then also make sure we're using some time to catch up on our any makeup work that we owe for chapter 8. All right, well, let me show you what we're doing today. Oop, looks like I'm in the wrong website here. So right now I'm on your materials section. I'm going to post all of this in your updates here shortly. So you'll see it here. It's not obviously here yet, but we will put it up there. So I posted, hopefully this is pretty easy to spot. I posted this Mr. Allard is absent today folder, so that way you can just go in there and all of your work is in there. You can also kind of see it over here in Thursday. I don't know why this stuff is out of order because you should be doing it in order, but whatever. So let's take a peek. So you click on your folder. You've got your OTA, 2-word sentences, should be relatively simple, straightforward, as kind of what we've been doing. It's already enabled, ready to go, so you shouldn't have any issues there. Use your vocabulary packet. Remember to use our strategy. Figure out what this first word is. Second, read it aloud to yourself once you've gotten it. And then when you come down here at the end and you click review your answers, actually review your answers and make sure everything makes sense. Maybe read it aloud again to yourself really quickly, and you should be good to go. Next up, I know we are in different stages of doneness on our packet. Make sure, I think I got a packet over here. I do. So there will be extra copies of this here as well. So back in our folder, we have this quick video. I know most of us were on this back page, so the video is going to go over the notes for this back page. It's about 8 minutes. Okay, so make sure you get your notes finished. If this gets finished, you can hand this in. If you have been absent, okay, you can grab a copy from a friend, or I completed all the notes that we had down here. Now, people can go down here and use this for the notes, but you're going to miss out on things that are going to come up on our quiz, okay? Once you finished your notes, you can access your causes of the American Revolution checkout. All right, so what you've got here is, again, it says use your cause revolution checkout. We've got a bunch of all of your causes that were in here. Everything is in here. Okay, so make sure that you go through and use the ones that you know first. All right, process of elimination, match it up. If you do not get a 5 out of, or I think this is 9 questions, so 9 out of 9 the first time, make sure you do it again. All right, seventh graders, that's it for directions. Hopefully real quick. When you're done, make sure that you are working on any back work. Prioritize Chapter 8 vocab packet if you've not turned that in. I'm going to try to make it, things weren't printing just a minute ago, but I'm going to try to give you all an updated grade report for tomorrow so you know where you stand. Make sure Chapter 8 vocab is your #1 priority to get turned in by Friday. For many of you, if you don't turn it in, that's going to be the difference between passing and failing. Anybody else use that grade report or Chapter 9 vocab packets? I'm hoping to have those graded so you can get those as well. Until next time, 7th graders, remember, stay awesome. Go Bills. Allard out.